I don't want a lot for Christmas. Just give me $1,000,000. Howdy, folks. Johnny here with you. Disjointed Ramblings. It's a rainy day. A rainy morning, anyway. So I put this little hutch together for Gogo. She's in there right now. She's right about there. That's what that breathing lump is. Enjoying the warmth of the hutch on a rainy day, as you can see. I'm not in Venice Beach, but it's even raining at the beach. Oh wait, hold on, look. Look who it is. Look who emerges from the hutch. The one and only Gogo. I'm on my way to work this Friday morning, and it's a rainy morning, and I didn't want to bring my umbrella because it's a big broken umbrella. I just don't like lugging extra things around, to be honest. I'm lazy. But just as I suspected, it has stopped raining, and it's not going to be raining again probably until I'm actually inside of work. And it's not supposed to be raining when I get out of work. So that means I wasted my time bringing my umbrella. Oh well.
Yay!
I was just wondering to myself, should I begin speaking with a slight accent for no good reason? Perhaps I will. Haven't decided yet. Yo, check it out. These pistachios really need to get a room. Look at that. They've sucked the nut out of each other. They don't even have a nut in it anymore. They've sucked the nut out of each other. Naughty pistachios. So I'm watching YouTube, as I do, and then I see this title. What goes into a box of C's candies? Well, obviously, they're showing you chocolates, stupid. Has anyone ever fucking told you that you're like fucking beautiful and shit? Te quita la caspa. Te quita la caspa. Te la quita, te la va a quitar. I just missed it, but oh wow, they're still coming. A ton of police cars headed north on the 101. Something is going on out there. I don't know if that's a procession or what, but I guess I'll have to tune into the news right now to see what's going on. However, I don't see any news copters, but I could be wrong. Now, what's going by? Some more. It's a fire truck this time. What's happening? Hey, look, it's the mailman. He's a male and he's a man. Anyway, it is Tuesday, December 30th. Yes, Tuesday, December 30th when I'm recording this particular segment here. See this? I think that's got to go. Toyed around with facial hair here and there. I'm just not used to having it. In fact, I forget that I have this. So whenever I look in the mirror, I'm like, oh yeah, I've got a mustache. And I've only had it for about a week. And that's because I hadn't shaved in like 3 weeks prior. So I had a long, scruffy, gray beard, I guess you could call it. Wasn't really a beard, but you know what I mean. It had grown out. And it was gross, and I was looking terrible. And so when I shaved, I figured, you know what, I'll try and just finally do the pencil mustache thing, which is what you see right now. Let me look in the mirror. Hold on. Actually, that's not a much better perspective. Let me go to this camera again. So anyway, yeah, facial hair is a commitment, especially for this kind of stupid mustache. I've always kind of liked it. I know it looks creepy, and it looks seedy. Some people would even call it a perv stash. I'm not going for that. I just like it because it's like a classic style mustache, as some people pronounce it. But yeah, it's too much of a commitment. Like, whenever I shave, I just would rather just get rid of everything. Shaving is already a drag to begin with. I could be a complete bum and just let my facial hair grow out completely, but then it itches and it bugs me, and I'm already bugged by enough things. But then this, I gotta shave here, make sure I don't get rid of, don't cut off some of that. Then I gotta get the sides here, and too much, man, too much. So yes, today, December 30th, 2025, will be the last full day that I've got this stash. I'm sure it'll pop up again next year. But we'll see. I mean, laziness takes hold sometimes and your facial hair grows. But for posterity's sake, you're looking at it right now. The stash. The secret stash. What else was I going to say? Well, today, it's almost 11:30. Today, I got to make a run to the post office, thankfully. It's always good to be able to take packages of items that I sold on eBay to the post office, so I got to go do that. And then I got to go to Trader Joe's to pick up a couple of items, soap being one of them, because don't let the shady mustache trick you. I do like being clean, so I need to buy some soap. And then I think I'm going to buy a couple of cans of beer so that I can somewhat ring in the new year tomorrow evening. I'm not going anywhere, that's for sure. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do today. Say au revoir, say sayonara, say adios, say goodbye to this thing, because tomorrow morning, which tomorrow is my shave day. That's why I didn't get rid of it today. I shave every other day, for your information. Not that you care or need to know it, but that's what I'm going to do. Thanks for watching. Peace. I got to shoot this from a distance, otherwise you wouldn't believe me. There's a woman taking a dump, or a number one, way out there. That's all I'm going to show because I don't want to get canceled.
rate of alcoholic insanity in Ireland is 10 times greater than England. 40% of all admissions to mental hospitals in Dublin are for alcoholic insanity.
Just got back from doing my last load of laundry for 2025. As you could see, I got caught in the rain. So now the bag that I keep my laundry in, that I use to tote my laundry to and fro the laundromat, is soaked. But I've got them both sitting here in front of the heater to hopefully expedite the drying again process, because obviously I did use the dryers at the laundromat, but it's raining. Let me show you. I don't know if you could see it, but anyway, it's raining. But the last load of laundry from 2025 is done, but I still got dirty clothes in the other room. That'll have to wait until next year. It is 2:42 p.m. on this New Year's Eve, and I hope I'm not jinxing myself by saying this way too early, but if there's one good thing about the fact that it is raining right now, is I hope it rains all through the day, or at least all through the rest of the day and all through the night, just so it can at least minimize the fireworks that all those idiots out and around the city will be wanting to set off tonight. And there you have it, folks. It is New Year 2026, but I haven't got a girl to kiss. Oh wait, yes I do. The beautiful Gogo. Gogo, Happy New Year, babe. Happy New Year from Gogo, myself, and Disjointed Ramblings. There wasn't going to be any tongue kissing here. This isn't that kind of channel. Thanks for watching.